weirdo. Hey, about this? We had a dog come in the other week that had an ingrown toenail, and it caused like an enormous abscess, and I was just like looking at hers and I was like, I don't want this to happen to her if we can avoid this. Good girl, you're so good. Here, why don't we do these since we're on this side, kiddo? Scooch just maybe a little bit forward for us. And think. There you go. Here, we'll do you like a horse. We'll just say hoof. Good dog. Hang on, baby. I don't want to cut your foot. Okay, good girl. And then if we maybe just spin her